All right, so how do we solve problems in the case that it is negative? So I have problems like negative x over 4 is equal to, I don't know, 5. So the way that we get rid of this is, let's take a look at this first. We got x over 4 is equal to 5. All we have to do to solve for x is multiply 4, which is the opposite of division. Opposite of division, multiplication. So I multiply over 4. And then this cancels out, and so I got x is equal to 20, right? Now, x is equal to 20, that is how we solve it. Now, this is the same thing as, if we rewrote it, is the same thing as negative 4 is equal to 5. Why? Because negative 4 is the same thing as, negative 4 over 1 is the same thing as negative 4 over 1, which is the same thing as 4 over negative 1. And the reason why is, whether it's on the outside or in the numerator or in the denominator, they're all saying that this number is a negative number. That's a negative number, and that's a negative number. So I can rewrite this problem as this problem right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply negative 4 here, multiply negative 4 here. What's going to happen is this is canceling out, right? The opposite of division. So if I cancel this out, I have x is equal to 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. So this is how you do these types of problems. Let's do another one. So if I have x, negative 3, negative x over 6 is equal to 2. The way that we do that is we multiply negative 6 on both sides. Why? Because whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. And negative times a negative is positive, and the 6 cancels out. And negative times a negative is positive, so this gives me a positive x is equal to 2 times negative 6, which is negative 12. All right, let's do another one. I don't know, x over 5. Actually, we can do this one, like negative 3 is equal to x over 5, negative, like that, right? How do we do that? Same thing. We multiply the both sides by negative 5, and the reason why is because this is a division. So what is the opposite of division? We're going to multiply, and whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. And because this is a negative and we want a positive x, we have to multiply it by a negative, because negative times a negative is going to be positive, and so this cancels out. And so we're going to have x on the right side, and then negative times negative 3 is 15. So my answer is going to be x is equal to 15. And let's take a look. If I put 15 back inside, all right, so negative 3, negative x over 5, that's the original problem. If I put 15 back inside, so negative 3 is equal to 15 over 5. Negative 3 is equal to 15 divided by 5 is 3, so negative 3 equals negative 3, and it checks out.